STON.FI DEX. I'll be explaining to anybody that is going to be watching this video on what is the STON.FI DEX decentralized exchange. So first of all, what is STON.FI DEX? Very simple. If you are new to crypto, the full meaning of DEX simply means decentralized exchange. So in decentralized exchange, what you need to understand is that you don't have a centralized market maker to provide liquidity for you. So that is what STON.FI DEX is all about. STON.FI DEX is a centralized exchange that does not need a centralized market to provide liquidity for traders. So simply to say STON.FI DEX, it's STON.FI DEX is AM. What do I mean by AM? AM simply means automatic market maker. So now this explains the concept of what is STON.FI DEX. STON.FI DEX is an automatic market maker where we have now bridged the gap between having a centralized exchange to give us the liquidity we need to make our transaction on STON.FI DEX. So very quickly, let me explain the key functions of the STON.FI DEX. Yes, STON.FI DEX, very quickly. There are three main functions of STON.FI DEX. Yes, and the three main functions of STON.FI DEX is just basically swapping, staking, and providing liquidity pool. And guys, swapping on STON.FI DEX is one of the easiest, one of the fastest that you find. Let me write it. Swapping, staking, liquidity pool. So if you are new on any DEX, I think the best that you should use, I would recommend to use the STON.FI DEX because of these three main functions. Now let me explain what it means by swapping. Swapping is just you changing your token from one to another. So for instance, you are swapping your TON to Notcoin, and another way it can be vice versa. So let me put it like this. You understand? So it means that you can swap your TON to Notcoin and Notcoin to TON. So on this STON.FI DEX, we have a native token for the STON.FI, and the native token for STON.FI DEX is hold on. The native token for STON.FI DEX is STON. Token on STON.FI DEX. So this is the token that you can use for making transactions on the STON.FI DEX. And mind you, STON.FI is actually built on the TON blockchain. And we all know that TON blockchain is one of the latest blockchain that we have in the ecosystem. And another important thing about STON.FI DEX is that it is among the top 5 DEXs. Top 5 DEXs. It's among the top 5 DEXs that we have. So now quickly, let me explain a few things before we continue with staking and then liquidity pool. Continue. So now, I will show you some example of tokens that you can swap on the STON.FI DEX. So I'll swap your TON to Notcoin. You can swap your Notcoin to STON. And the key thing here is that when you are swapping, it's not a one-way thing. You can actually swap from this to this and then this to this. So it's vice versa. And one thing that is very important is the transaction fee. The transaction fee, which you need to have to make your transaction possible. So this is a video on explaining what it means what I mean by swapping on STON.FI DEX, which you can easily do it on your phone. All you need to do is go to www.ston.fi and log in, and then you can actually continue to explore these functions that we have on STON.FI DEX. Thank you very much.